No one heard the scream because it came from a drop of water. In the quiet 1670s in the Netherlands, while the world obsessed over stars and empires, a single man leaned toward a tiny lens and felt his certainty collapse. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was not a famous scholar. He was a cloth merchant. Ordinary, methodical, curious, and that curiosity would shatter humanity's sense of scale forever. Picture his workshop. Dim light, the smell of metal filings and oil. A hand-ground lens, smaller than a fingernail, mounted in a simple frame. No grand instrument, no institution behind him. Just patience and an unsettling question. What if the world is smaller than we think? He placed a droplet of pond water before the lens. At first, nothing. Movement. Tiny shapes darted across his vision. Spinning, swimming, colliding. A hidden crowd where there should have been emptiness. His breath caught. These were not dust motes, not illusions. They were alive. Leeuwenhoek pulled back, heart pounding. He looked again. They were still there. This was the first rehook, the moment reality bent. Because if these animalcules, as he called them, truly existed, then life was not just what the eye could see. It was layered, crowded, teeming beyond perception. He tested everything. Rainwater, saliva, blood. Each sample revealed the same impossible truth. Invisible worlds everywhere, living on us, inside us, around us. Word spread. Skepticism followed. How could a merchant claim what scholars had missed for centuries? Letters crossed Europe. The Royal Society demanded proof. Doubt pressed in like a closing fist. So Leeuwenhoek persisted. He refined his lenses, sharpened them beyond anything of his time. And, finally, others looked through his device. They froze, because they saw it too. The escalation was irreversible. Disease, decay, fermentation. Suddenly, these mysteries had agents. The universe didn't just expand outward into space. It exploded inward, into the unseen. The emotional climax came quietly. No applause, no crowd, just the realization that humanity was not alone, not even within its own body. And here is the reflection that lingers. For thousands of years, these lives existed without our awareness. Not hidden, just unseen. Waiting for the right question and the right lens. If this story opened your eyes to how fragile and vast reality truly is, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what unseen world do you think we'll discover next?